Today, FFI, the Film Federation of India, announced the details of the Oscar nominations, where FFI, which is a all India body consisting of all the producers belonging to different parts of the country, all languages, it's a part of this entire body, this entire organization called Film Federation of India. So today we basically have announced the process has started, and we have invited the producers to send their films so that the jury sees their film, and then we together nominate the best film, which will be going to Oscars, which will be an official entry from our country. Having said that, all the producer bodies together have come on this board, on this platform together, and the nitty-gritties of this entire process has already started. So basically, today's press conference has done a particular process beginning, and selection of films will start. The jury will start seeing the films, and all the technical details have been given to us by the Oscar committee, and all those technical details are followed by the FFI, and accordingly with entire following up of technical details, the film will be selected. अब इसमें जो जूरी है वो सारी जो क्राफ्ट्स के लोग हैं वो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, चाहे वो डायरेक्टर हो, चाहे वो प्रोड्यूसर हो, चाहे वो आर्ट डायरेक्टर, कोई भी. बेसिकली नेशनल अवार्ड विनर्स जो होते हैं या दूसरे अवार्ड विनर्स जो होते हैं वो होते हैं जूरी का हिस्सा. So basically, with following all the rules and regulations of Oscar committee, the process of selecting the film for India's representatives has begun from today. So through INS, we want to appeal to all the producers, along with Abhay Senaji, who is the president of FFI, a Mumbai-based producer, to send their films to FFI so that the entire thing begins. It's मुंबई में बहुत सालों के बाद ये हो रहा है, ये पूरा इवेंट हो रहा है. तो इनफैक्ट इट्स अ गुड थिंग, इट्स अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर द पीपल फ्रॉम मुंबई and producers based in Mumbai also, so they can send their films and make this entire celebration a great success.
Sir, what are the guidelines of Oscar this year which have come? Because early वो guidelines change होती होंगी. What are the guidelines this year जो issue हुई?
तभी तो आपको यूसुफ भाई ने बताया वो जो गाइडलाइन चेंज हो रहा है कि एक ही पिक्चर हम लोग यहाँ से भेज सकते हैं यहाँ के लिए. और बाकी ये तो अशोक जी ने सर आपको बता ही दिया कि क्या सिस्टम से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. जूरी हम लोग का 16-17 जूरी है, जो 8 सितंबर से हम लोग का स्टार्ट है. 18 सितंबर लास्ट है, 19 को हम लोग अनाउंस कर देंगे. थैंक यू.